finding shit.
Yeah, that's funny.
No, I'm talking about the other one I use.
Julie, you gotta see what her power is, because that's not her power. My power is quick with
I
lockpicking.
didn't say that was her power. She's just quick like doing shit. Cause I remember I was someone else. He was hella
Oh
slow.
wait, she might. Oh yeah, she might be an escape artist or some shit,
Yeah, me.
or some shit like that. Hey, I'm Connie. That's lit. This nigga Sunny.
Hell nah, boy. I changed that shit real quick. Quick.
What's good? Yeah, sure.
Man, we waiting for two more people. What's Gucci?
And
What's
this,
Gucci? Hey, you see that video I sent you?
hey, no, I don't think so.
Damn, trash.
It's hey, Sunny, you got a mic gang?
It was a video about like asking people if they have a mic.
Yeah, but I see that. Yeah.
Oh hell no, I gotta find that shit. Cause that's for real. Cause that's us for real. You got a mic. You got a mic. You got a mic.
You got it ready up?
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads.
This shit feel.
Hey,
Serial controller. I ain't gonna cap to you.
You said what?
This shit feel weird as hell. Is weird ass Xbox bullshit.
You sound like you beating the shit out of that controller.
I was, cause you know, it's the beginning, so you know they still in the cutscene.
Is that you right there?
So I was just spamming that shit.
Is that you right there?
I'm Connie, remember?
I think I can make it.
All right, my boy found a toolbox right here. Let's. Hey, we with you? I need that toolbox game, cause I'm Connie.
Ooh. I needed this to look.
We never should have come here.
All right, I can open this door real quick. I got us.
All right, let's get up out of here. All right, we good, low key. We about to get up out of here. What you talking about? I hear something, man. You gotta hurry.
Oh, it's open.
Oh shit! Don't move. I hear that chainsaw, boy.
I ain't gonna cap. He was right there. He out.
Oh shit!
Oh, bro. They put a trap on the exit, boy.
No.
That's some whole shit.
Oh, I'm about to die, bro.
Yeah, bro. They put a trap on the exit,
dead, boy.
What the hell am I doing?
Damn, they really did us dirty.
No, that's cheese, boy.
I'm
Boy, they put a trap.
I know. I was right behind. I was right behind you.
Yeah, bro. They put a trap right there. And I couldn't do shit, boy. Sonny finna break out. Dead already.
Thank you.
Damn, boy. Hell nah, boy.
Sonny, Sonny, they probably ain't even turned the power on, if we being real. They was too busy putting traps down and shit.
Damn, boy. They had that shit trapped up.
Oh, damn. He finna turn the power on, though. Yeah, he finna cut the power on. Hey, hi, Polo. What's your name? Yeah,
loud?
Polo, he in there with y'all. He in there with y'all, so watch yourselves.
Oh, shit.
I hope y'all can hear me, bro.
Bro, I can hear you.
I hope y'all can hear me.
I'm finna go up
No,
here.
not you. I'm talking about them. Hey, Polo, stand up and down if you can hear me real quick. I don't think he can hear me. He ain't do it.
Bruh. I see an exit. I'm about to go to it.
Swizz up. Stand up and down if you can hear me. Oh, okay, he can hear me for sure. Okay, bet. You see, he's setting traps and shit.
Aww.
That's up.
Oh,
Damn,
you poor
bruh.
little thing.
That's up. Where you at, bro? Oh, you getting body?
Yeah. I'm trying to live. Bitch.
You better find a whale. Find a whale. You better win this or you dead. You better win this or you dead.
Oh, it cheated me. It cheated me. It hold me. For real, hold me.
That's tough. Okay, they both down there now.
Damn, that's crazy. She came out of nowhere.
They finna be y'all ass. If all three of them get down there, it's fraps. Oh, there's a door right there. Swizz up. Follow Polo. There's a door right there.
Yeah, they probably ain't
Oh,
even
never
listening.
mind. Oh, it's two doors. No, he's here.
Damn, Grandpa finna be max level soon.
This'll work.
I never go to the basement before. I don't even know how to do that shit.
Damn, they right
See, look,
there.
they sitting trapped up there, bro.
Y'all gotta get up
That's
out of
no
there.
shit. Oh, she poisoned the whale. That's what she did. She poisoned that bitch. So if you go down there, it hurts you. Oh,
I gotta
Oh,
stay
they-
focused.
Hey, if you go, keep going, there's a
Gotta
ladder.
get out of here.
Be careful though. That's where I went up. And that bitch got me.
yeah, it's a ladder in there. It's a ladder in there. Level 4? Oh, hell no. They feeding the hell out of Grandpa. They
Damn,
feeding
boy.
the fuck out of Grandpa.
Look, see, she right there. That's crazy. You about to die where I died.
Oh, they put a trap right there?
Nah, that bitch just came out of nowhere and got me.
No, I'm talking about Polo. They must have. His ass already hurt.
You didn't see Shorty stab him just now?
No, I was watching the other dude.
They on his ass.
Oh, yeah, you need a whale. You need a whale.
Yeah. Kill
Stab
his
that
ass.
motherfucker.
Stab his ass. Oh, stab.
Ah!
Shit.
Grounds.
Good, fuck that nigga. Whoa, let's get out of here.
Ooh, okay, at least he stabbed him.
Damn, he had that much time to do that. That's crazy.
Hey, oh, he landed right by Sonny too. It's crazy.
Oh shit, sound like someone coming.
Damn, he don't got no tool right now.
No.
You got no tool? Oh shit.
Damn.
Oh my god, boy, that trap shit is cheese.
You could use some help.
That's just some chopped cheese.
See, that shit cheese is up, boy.
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
They killed you. Hey, Sonny, you the only one left, man.
Damn. Alright, come on, Sonny.
See, putting traps everywhere. You see that?
Yeah, but he straight got caught too. Oh, they're coming too.
Hey, what's Sonny power? Can he just hear stuff or something? Like, what's his power?
Oh yeah, looks like it. Cause all the people are highlighted. She about to come right up in there.
We need to get with some people who know what they doing, bro. That's killers, bro.
I know.
Not having it.
That shit crazy, bro.
So he can wait. What can? Oh, he can hear people.
I'm glad they fixed it. Oh, look, see, there's a trap right there.
I know they putting traps everywhere. Every exit.
Yeah.
Like, they know what the fuck they doing, bro.
I didn't even know you could place traps.
Yeah, one of the family members could do traps. I thought it was the old man, but I guess it's a couple of them. I don't know.
It might be the dude or the girl.
GG boys,
GG.
man. You can hit that. You can hit the trap.
Not having it.
Oh, he left.
Damn.
He left. Damn.
Oh, well.
Was they in a party together or something? Fuck.
I don't know.
Nah, the dude who left.
Oh. Damn.
Damn, boy. We started off rip with a L, though.
That's
not it.
My chapstick.
That ain't it.
That ain't it. Dude, Mike
A native
takes
of
one too.
Uvalde was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby.
Alright, y'all. We're about to get this chainsaw, dude.
Family and friends are urging anyone with information.
I'm finna just spam that shit, boy, because they still in the cutscene.
Oh my god. Am I?
I'm all alone. There's no one here
Alright,
beside me.
Was that loud?
What the heck going on with my?
Ooh. Me too.
Open doors with this.
Oh, ass nigga.
Ain't no way he already by me. Ain't no way he already by me.
There you go. I'm ready.
Bro, he up for your break this shit.
Huh?
Leatherface is right there.
I know. I'm gone.
Where?
Tastes good, don't it?
Bro, he already woke up the family, bro.
Oh shit, I'm going.
And he's destroying like all the traps right now.
Hey,
Downstairs.
what's this?
Not the traps, but all like the crawl faces.
Ooh, I made it out. There's a door open somewhere.
Shit.
Oh shit.
Got this.
Oh no.
Children, X's on their head. If you dare to look at them,
Oh
soon you will be dead.
Where did y'all get out from?
There's just a random door open, but I'm getting chased by the white bitch.
Oh my god, the
Right
fuse
now.
is right next to the fuse box.
I'm hiding right now, boy.
I'm trying to do the fuse.
Oh, I see someone coming. Yo, they running right past me. Oh, they got her. Damn, boy.
Alright, I'm out.
I don't have no tool or nothing, man. These niggas is everywhere.
The fuse box is open. Get out.
Swear, where? Someone used that
It's at the
ability
north
to
tunnel.
oh, it's the tunnel? You open the tunnel exit?
Alright, I'm going back in there. Why do I hear Leatherface killing someone right next to me?
Oh, he disconnected.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
There's one. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I'm
Let me
dead.
gone. Please. Please, let them be gone.
Ain't no fucking way that didn't work.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, I just opened the gate with my lockpick ability and it didn't work. Like it broke my lockpick just now.
I'm stuck down here with this dude, man.
Bro, my lockpick just fucking broke, boy.
I'm about to die, boy.
Human, isn't
Man,
it?
my whole lockpick ability just got whipped.
Ain't no fucking way. Alright. I don't have no health or nothing. Damn, boy. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, I just opened the gate by the exterior, y'all. I just opened the gate by the exterior.
That's so we can get out.
By the exterior.
Oh shit, he right there.
I know. He just
Damn, he got me. I tried to run past him.
You see it right next to you, right?
He gatekeeping like a motherfucker.
How he did not see me is crazy.
Wow, that is crazy.
Did he lock you back?
He probably did. He's in there
I'm
now.
gonna push it open. No, I don't want to push it
Dang,
open.
you
I'm
saw
not gonna
me
let him
die
see.
just now? Like, you saw me?
Bro, you died right next to me, boy. Your body is laying right next
That's
to me, boy.
crazy.
Hey, R.I.P.
I didn't see you right
R.I.P.
there.
my nigga Julie. You see me right here?
That's
You see somebody?
crazy, yeah.
That's the gate I opened. That's the gate I just opened too.
I thought you ran through. I was trying to run through.
No, I opened it and then I was making it look like I ran through.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. They finna cut on all the fucking shit in there, bro. I don't think I can get out there no more. Who dying down there?
Someone
He
escaped.
escaped.
It's just you, boy. You the last survivor, but
No, so they going
You
all
better-
in him?
you better get in there, then.
You poor thing.
Boy, you better get out of there. Get out
Where's
of
the
there.
generator? No. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lockpick the door first. And then I'm gonna turn off the power and then run to it. Because it's gonna give him a notification that I turned off the power.
You have some time because they all gonna be looking for you underground. Well, you better hurry up. I hear that chainsaw. He did that shit quick.
Hey, what's coming to you now?
Some whole
How did he
shit.
get in? With the wheel. He's gonna lock it back. Can he lock it back?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Oh my god.
You better get you a little
Where's
weapon.
the exit down here? Where's the exit down here? Did they lock it?
You go right. Nah, don't listen to me. I don't know.
I need something for this wound.
No, wait, where's the tunnel exit that you got out of? It's behind me? Oh my god. Damn, he got me. Fuck. I was right there, bro. I just had to turn the power off.
Damn, we taking L, man. That's all on now.
Damn, Gramps, you circled back on me real tough.
He was all the way across the map, too.
I know, Gramps circled back on me tough.
That's crazy as hell, boy. Alright, next game, man. Come on, we got this shit ugly, yeah, but what the hell is going on?
You said what?
I said, what the hell is going on?
Everybody just good now.
Damn. That's crazy. Bro, I wish Hogwarts Legacy was 2-player. Like
Maria
things I could
Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen
But I
near
got,
the
like,
town
hella
of
points.
Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search in nearby communities.
But that dude was a level maxed out Leatherface, bro. He's some pressure. Hey, spam that get out button. You know they remember they in the cutscene.
Who was I? Wasn't I Julie last game? Damn, we're all far from each other.
What the hell's going on? Oh god. Oh god.
Yo, Kari, where are you, boy?
I think I just seen somebody.
Nah, I just climbed through this little thing. I hear Leatherface, though.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Nope,
shit.
nope,
Did he on me?
That was me that hit that door.
Oh, I'm hiding. Fuck, dude. He saw me and I closed. I opened the door and dude was right there. What happens if you hide too long and that little black gets all to the front? You get consumed with the black. You die?
Alright, I got me a lockbox.
Yeah, I don't know what happens. He right there.
Well, you see? Bro, they all we were some good people, bro.
Yep, you see me. I'm about to die, bro.
Why does my shit keep going down? Like, what is that?
Fuck.
Oh, come on. Please. Somebody open this.
I'm about to die, bro. What the fuck?
Well, he already got you?
Nah, but it's like they keep finding me. Ah, shit, boy.
Hey, no cap, he right here next to me, boy.
You still in the basement?
Yeah, I'm in the east tunnel, but he right here.
This'll help.
I'm trying to get out of here, boy.
Like, I ain't gonna cap, he right. Oh my god, it's just us.
What?
Two people disconnected, boy.
Is anything I can use?
Yeah, it's over for me, but I don't know where you at. I'm dying by myself. I'm cutting.
My shit glitching right now, boy.
Should have come here.
Damn, I hear something, dude. What? I'm trying to find my way. I'm trying to find a tool.
This will help. Anything will help.
Hey, I'm breaking out right now.
Where?
The rear base.
Oh, I hear him. I hear him. I ran past him. I ran past him. I ran past him. I ran past him. Where are you?
Where that noise is, you see that door?
Yeah, he's about to catch me. He's about to find me. It was good knowing you. It was good knowing you. I'll keep it. Alright, keep it. I'll be watching. Ooh, I'm still alive. Ooh. Where did you get out from? Damn, bruh.
Ain't no fucking way. Hey, I just died, boy.
Swear.
I just died. I just died.
Swear.
I just died, boy.
No, you didn't.
I just died. Like I'm dead.
Damn,
He's chasing
I
your ass
died.
though. I see him right behind you.
I'm like about to die.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming.
Wait. Did they hear that? I had to catch myself.
Get somewhere and duck. Stay down. Oh, it's too late. That's not a door. That's not a door. That's the exit door. If you knew how to open it, like we could escape from down there.
Fuck, bruh.
Oh my god, bro. We can't be. We got L after L
After L after L.
Hey, what's this?
I've been
I'm
running
getting
around
glitches,
this
too.
basement the whole time.
Oh my god. They maxed out Grandpa. Look, he can see you. You can't hide, bro. You can't hide. You see you're yellow. You're yellow. He can see you.
Look at Buddy though.
No. No.
I know. When Grandpa's maxed out, you can't hide no matter what.
Yeah, I tried to get out of
I know, boy. What the hell?
here, damn. That ain't
We need some newbies back in the game, man.
it. Some newbies. Damn, that was horrible.
Agents throughout
What should that nigga eat?
Pop need that blood.
What should that nigga eat?
Not my girl Connie.
Yeah. Get murked off.
Not my. That's my character. Come on, bro.
That's what happened when you. Oh shit. Alright.
Yeah, what the hell? Alright, let me go and lock everything up. I'm gonna turn the power on everywhere, lock everything up. Oh, I'm already back here. Let me go and get the power. Do.
Ooh, good shit.
Ain't no way. How they already? What? Ain't no way. They already unlocked the shit. Oh well, yeah. We using the cut. We using the scene.
Where they at?
Unlock it and open. I see one down there.
Oh, I see it
Turn on. How do I run? I can't run as Johnny. I'm finna set a mean trap though.
Oh. Then he hit me. I'm stuck. I can't even move.
I'm gonna set the trap right here. He ain't even gonna see it coming.
They playing with me.
Oh. Wait, like we got a chance left to face, y'all.
Yeah, I suck at leather.
Remember, you gotta rev it before you can swing that bitch. You gotta rev it. Can I cut this shit? Ooh, I can. Oh, y'all bitch.
Oh, we hit my chainsaw.
How do I run with? Can I not run?
Damn, I suck at this.
What pop is, man?
Oh, you poor little thing.
Damn, what the fuck? I'm the worst Leatherface.
Sirski. Oh, I can crouch and get their ass. Oh, y'all messed up with this crouching thing with the killers. You know, killer can crouch. And I'm setting traps at every entry out at every exit. Basement exit open. What you mean? Bro, I'm going to the basement somehow. Ah! Hey, somebody back down in the basement. You got her whole ass.
Alright, I'm gonna try to.
Got that bitch Julie.
Oh, we on.
Pop out.
Oh, they escaped.
Oh, hey, the basement ASAP.
Damn. They escaped.
Bro, he can't run.
Bro, there's one more person.
Oh my god, my boy. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. Hey, get to the back of me, bro, because that's what they expect, bro.
I'm gatekeeping. Oh, it's closed.
Alright, good. We're closed. What does that mean? Or Papa guy. He can get blood.
Yeah, bro. They all
Pop
escaped.
up. Where they at, Pop up?
They all escaped.
You lying.
There's only like one person left.
I don't even know how to get down there.
Ooh, I see him.
Look, I see somebody down there.
I see him too.
You said you down there. You keeping?
Yeah.
Alright, good. There's one. Final victim.
Oh, there's one more. Oh, so two escaped. I thought three of them escaped.
But I can't run, bro. This is the worst character.
Oh, is this you right here?
Yeah, this you trying to kill me, boy.
No, I'm not. I was just following you.
Oh, I'm trying to. Hey, what's your ability as Leatherface? Like, what's your thing? What's your right click?
Just chainsaw, revving it up.
I'm not finna unlock that. All right, where did I come from? So I can just go back through that way. Oop, leg blood. Pop. Bro, I'm frozen. I'm frozen. Where did I come from?
Are you sure he's
Oh,
in
here
the
it is. I
basement?
came from over here, I think. Probably not no more.
Alright, let's
Oh
get
my
out of here.
god. I'm not trying to open the exit though for his ass. I'm not finna unlock that. Alright, bet. What's this gonna mean?
Just change the revving it up.
I'm not trying to open the exit though for his ass. I'm not trying to open the exit though for his ass. I'm not trying to open the exit though for his ass. I want him to be able to have to lockpick that shit. Did I come from this way? I think I came from this way, Brandon. I did.
That's the same way we just came, boy.
Whoa. It is? Oh, damn. Oh, my. Bro, my character.
Look, he's above basement.
Bro.
Look to the left. Look to the left. Look to the left. He's above the ground.
I can't do shit.
Boy, just open the gate. He's above ground. Just open the door. Where'd you go?
No, I ain't never being this dude again, bro.
Where are you?
Grandpa is hungry. Oh my God, he escaped. We lost.
Wow. At least I got one kill.
Kiki.
At least I got one kill. Who'd I kill? Jigs? Nah. Or no, who'd I kill? One ear. Ah.
Oh my God, everybody's so solid now.
I know. That's crazy. I'm not gonna hold. We gonna be killers again, or?
Can you open that so it's not hot? It's hot. It's hot.
Oh, hey, my Devil in Me's done downloading. My Devil in Me's done downloading. Stupid ass, geeky ass. Alright. Damn, Haunted Investigation only up. Oh, Star Wars The Force Unleashed. I might have to install that game.
What's your Devil in Me at, bro?
It's done. Download it. It's playable. It's playable. It's playable. Oh, it's playable, boy. It's downloaded 100%.
All right, let's hop on because mine playable.
All right. Let me make some upgrades real quick.
This nigga lying, bro.
No, I'm talking about to my Julie.
Yeah, finally, there you go. Oh, yeah, level 4.
I'm finna be level damn near 10 by the time I'm done.
How many skill points you got? Look in the bottom.
I got 24 now. I had like 60, but I upgraded my level phase 2.
I need some more.
Ooh, Grandpa is 30% less alerted by the noise you make during the start of the game.
You done updating? I mean, upgrading?
Nah, I got 7 more points I'm about to spend on Julie.
You done upgrading Julie?
Almost.
There's one other thing you gotta do too.
Ooh, yeah, I'm done. I used all of them.
So go back to the
Julie now, nigga. What you talking about?
Go back to, bro. Come on, go back to the first skill tree, and go all the way to the bottom, and then modify that shit. Like push E on it, on the first one, and then choose one of those for you. You see it?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, so choose one of those. You can only choose one row though, I think.
I did.
What you choose? What was your thing?
The sprint.
That nigga get ghost.
Nigga finna get close. Ooh, do that one. Fight or choose a sneak attack. Ooh, I can sneak attack. Ah.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of
Ooh, you know
foul
what sounds
play.
bomb right now? Some
Authorities
ice
are hopeful
cream.
that the expanded search
Ooh, it's a chocolate chip. I'm about to get some ice cream after this game on game. What you talking about? What you talking about? Fire, where are you?
You see me on the other side of the map.
No, I don't.
Shaking my shit.
Stay there, no one next to me.
Gotta get out of here.
I'm already by a toolbox.
I'm just running, boy. I'm just running, boy.
Thank you.
Ooh, I'm at a toolbox too.
Bro, if he already by me, I'm logging off.
I'm out of toolbox too. Hey, I'm getting this tool hella quick. I hear him.
No, he running around for sure.
I have a tool. Ooh, there's a door right here. I'm about to open it.
I'm by a door 2 now. I'm in the south tunnel if y'all hear me.
Thank God.
Ooh,
Already?
fuck.
Oh, somebody got out? Somebody got out?
I did. I'm about to stand still though.
Who was that, honey? Oh, I'm escaping too then. Y'all not finna leave me down here with that nigga?
I'm out, boy.
I need his help.
Did they hear that?
Oh, it's not.
Oh, I hear Grandpa nasty ass. I'm getting another tool though. Oh, I'm dead. Oh. Oh.
By toolbox.
I'm dead, boy. I'm back in the basement.
Move, get away from me, move.
This'll help. Anything will help.
I'm back in the basement, boy.
A knife.
Ooh, I'm out the door I just unlocked though.
No, it's not.
No, this is a different door. Someone else unlocked this.
Oh my god, I just died, dude. She followed behind me quick as hell through that cross space.
Damn,
I forgot
think
that
they
this
see
girl
me.
Sissy can go through cross spaces.
I'm the last victim standing. He ran
fuck you doing to
he
me?
ran right past me.
That was you, oh bro. That was you that came over here by me, bro. I'm like, bro, get the fuck away from me, bro.
Who,
You
me?
brought them right towards me. Oh, he didn't see you. They finna see you. Keep moving.
Fuck, boy. He still didn't see me. That's crazy.
You got that bone. You can stab them if they back to you. You can stab them with that bone knife thingy.
That's what I tried to do, but it's hard playing with PC.
Man, the stuff.
No.
Oh my god, bro. Level 3 grandpa, bro. They going fast with that shit.
Damn.
Everybody's so good at this game now.
I don't
It
know,
ain't fun
bro.
no more.
It ain't fun no more.
It's a toolbox right there if you need it.
Hey, what's this?
Oh no, she is quick with it.
That's how I got cut, boy.
I got this.
Nah, she is quick with it. I ain't gonna cut.
On me.
Like she quick with getting tools. I'm quick with lock picking. Well, why my shit glitching, bro? Well, this game's spazzing right now.
I don't know where they're at. I'm the last one standing. Uh-oh.
I know you seen him just there.
Yeah.
But they figured the fuck out of Grandpa.
I don't got nothing to stab him. Oh, I do. I can
Oh, you can go
his
stab
ass.
Grandpa.
Oh,
Around,
shit.
around.
Oh, shit. I just seen him in the door.
Yeah, you can stab Gramps though, if you want. Take him down a level.
Damn, I have no health.
There's a health right there too. Ah!
Bitch.
Better duck in that grass, duck in that grass. If you keep going past that gate, like behind you,
Oh,
like
fuck,
behind
she
you,
coming.
look behind you.
Hang on, no, she coming.
But she can't see you though. You good.
Yeah, but you never know. Oh, shit. They
You
searched.
deep in that grass. Unless you see your blood, you good.
Isn't he the one that can track feet, or that's the other one?
I think that's the slow one. I hate that dude.
I can get through that gate, right?
Nah, that's the pressure valve gate. If you go past it though, you gotta walk past it. And there's another gate that you can lock it when you get through.
Damn, they're all going like just in that area.
I think that's the gate I'm talking about too. I ain't gonna cap. I think that's the
They
gate.
all over there. I can't go right now, bruh.
I know.
Low key,
but
I'm bleeding
you got,
out though.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta make a move. Back where you stabbed Grandpa, there was a health over there though.
Man, that's low key too far. Alright.
I'm moving. What the fuck? They buy you. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there he is. I see him right there. No, that's the gate I'm talking about over there. Yeah, you gotta go back by Grandpa, bro. Get that health. It's like, it's right there. You see it right there to the left. Right there to the left. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And then you seen that toolbox, right? You might want to get a second tool. You got your sprint shit back too, so
Yeah.
you need to get ghost. You better use your sprint.
On me.
You good? Yeah. And there's the toolbox. If you go back in there, then to your right.
That's where I got cut the first time. Ooh.
Good. This'll help.
Use it. Yep. God, put your bitch at 100. Oh shit, she quick with it.
Let's hurry up.
Oh yeah, she quick with it.
What do I do with this?
Talking about what do I do with this?
Like she ain't never used it before.
You gotta go through that other gate that they was going in and out, bro. They probably
there.
clipped over there.
Look,
Probably
yeah.
not going. Oh no, he just came out. Behind you. Yep, he's over there.
Why I feel like I hear him? Why I feel like he right here though? They guarding that gate. They gatekeeping.
Oh, they gatekeeper for sure.
Should I just go die, bro?
You said go down. Hell no, don't go down. You can tell he over there by that thing. You just gotta use your you gotta inch over there, like inch for inch, using grass, like inch over there, using the grass, like so. Run to the next patch and duck down, like across right there, across the way, past the well, like to the left, by them cactuses. Yeah, right there, straight right there. Boom.
We never should have come here.
Boom. Relax. Boom. See, and it's a gate right there to your left. Like, you see it?
Yeah, it's open too.
I know, so just walk through that patch. You walked all the way around. Fuck.
Sorry, I'm about to go. He goes right now.
And then shut the gate behind you. Shut it. Now run. They know you back here now. Cause they just got alerted. See? He just got alerted, so he know you back here now. Ooh. Oh, I think he seen you. Oh no, he did it. He did it. Just chill. Just relax.
Oh my god.
But
boy.
they might gatekeep back here though, so you got 2 tools, so like you good, bro. All you gotta do is shut that power off. Hey, inch over there a little bit, just to see what he doing, to see if he's turning on the power. Keep going. Is the gate better? Oh no, coming. Wait a second, just wait.
Oh shit, boy.
He turning the power on?
He right by it.
No, don't move.
Grandpa finna be level 4 soon. They gonna see me.
Like he know you in the backfield. That's the thing.
I know, that's crazy.
I know it's snitching. It's green! Oh, bro, if you can lockpick that shit, you're golden. It's green. Oh, no. They're down. Oh! Oh, he baited you. Go! Hey, use your sprint and go. Oh, my God. No. Oh, my God. He didn't close it. Use your sprint. Oh, no. Hide. Oh, my God. Hey, he baited you. I ain't gonna cap. No, you gotta lockpick it. Hey, he left it open. If you was right there, you could have ran right past his ass. I think there's a well over there.
Bruh.
It's somewhere. It's a well somewhere. I think it's to your right.
I'm about to die.
You're not gonna lockpick that in time. You're gonna break your lockpick. Oh my God. He's stunning on your ass. He's stunning on your ass.
Damn, boy.
That ain't it. Oh my God.
Yeah, that ain't it.
That ain't it.